Hi Nakuru, 2019 is here and Centonomy is back in town. I'm here to invite you to the Centonomy Open Day on the 23rd of February at the Rift Valley Sports Club from 9 a.m. Entry is free, and we're going to have a wonderful discussion about the myths and truths about doing business. Here's a sneak preview. Number one, apparently you have to be unique to be successful. Who said? I'm sure you've seen a number of, let's say, M-Pesa shops on the same road, and they're all making money and all finding success in business. So you don't have to be unique. Number two, apparently you have to be number one to be successful. No, we have seen businesses, let's say two cake shops on the same street. One is doing better than the other, but they are both generating income for their entrepreneur. You don't have to be number one to be successful. And number three, that you need a lot of capital to start a business. Friends, we have seen people started businesses with zero capital but still found success if they have a good idea, a good business plan, and they begin to bring the right networks around them. The Centonomy Open Day, 23rd of February at the Rift Valley Sports Club from 9 a.m. Entry is free. Come, let's talk about starting your great business.